Hey everyone, hi. So my name is Farag, and in today's analysis, in this particular presentation, we'll be going through a Mandelbrot set of Matlab code. And in this particular presentation, we'll first start off with the original code and see how it's modified to eventually handle a larger grid size of 2000 into 2000. So let's not waste time, and I'll share my screen so I can show you my code that I've written. Okay, so there we go. So in this particular code, as you can see, in part A, we start with the original Mandelbrot set code. It generates the Mandelbrot set on a 1000 to 1000 grid. This code divides the task among multiple workers. It utilizes parallel processing to compute and visualize the figure. You can also see that it took 11.7 seconds here for it to run. So this is the original Mandelbrot code, right? And now we modify this particular code for for running to a larger grid, which is of around 2000 into 2000. We're testing it for a 2000 into 2000 grid. So now let's move to part B. So we're testing the code on a 2000 grid. To achieve this, we have modified the code to handle square blocks of the grid. To do this, we calculate the block size, create a distributed array, and use the SPMD block to distribute the workload across multiple workers. Each worker computes a part of the grid, and then we gather the results for a composite Mandelbrot set. I've tried running this particular code, and there doesn't seem to be any error, and MATLAB does not give any error when I'm running this code. But when I execute it, MATLAB keeps showing as busy, and my CPU usage suddenly spikes to almost 95%, making it quite challenging for my laptop to handle such a high grid size of 2000 to 2000. So I'm not able to find this, the figure for this particular, code. So in this particular presentation, I think we covered the original Mandelbrot code. We did the present. We found the figure for the original, set, and we found the how much second it took, and this is the code for the uh, 2000 grid. I thank you for listening for my presentation, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.